Okay, the countdown is on. Seconds away. I hope everyone has an amazing race out there. Lots of fun, lots of smiles. You're going to see those 25 and 50 Kers. They'll be coming towards you in the opposite direction, so you can help cheer them on as well. And we look forward to seeing you when you get back here for a nice little hangout. All right, 1, 2, 3, you're off! Have a great race, everybody! Woo!
We're about 25 minutes away from the start of the 50 and the 25. And for anyone who's looking for a spot to drop their bag, under the big red tent that says Cheapskates on it. Thank you.
Hey Ed, just tell them it's the yellow cheapskate. There's 2 red tents with cheapskates. Yeah, perfect.
It's just if you get the shade.
I left the other one in the truck.
Perfect. Me too.
Perfect motel.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, that's the perfect one you can bring along.
You're ready to race?
She's ready.
All right. It's a long one.
Make sure your bibs are on your front so we can see you and track you as you're going through the course. All right, 1, 2, 3, you're off! Have a great race, everybody! Woo!
Camera. Makes you want to run. Camera. Makes you want to run.
Yeah. Woo! Yeah! Where am I going? That way. This way? Yep. Thanks, buddy.
Here we go. Good morning.
Morning. Like cinder blocks now. Hey, Steve.
Lie in this right about now.
Well done, guys. You know the drill.
Yeah, I don't want to make anyone look bad.
Keep going.
Keep going, I got you.
you guys doing?
388.
Good job.
388.
Holy mackerel, they're coming every which way. 388. Who first?
Okay, thank you.
Perfect.
Right there. Good job, you were fastest.
Thanks.
Good job.
Hey.
Oh my God!
What's your one there?
Your knee.
Your ankle right.
Okay.
Now that he did that, I'm just gonna follow him.
Apparently I'm not following you.
Go on the log. You might slip though. Okay.
Can you take this?
Yeah. Slip through.
Oh, my foot is stuck.
Oh, okay, video.
Oh, that's even better.
So much. What a gazelle you are.
I'm really not a gazelle.
Place where you come out from the road, not even hit 5K.
I don't like the photo. I don't like the car. Okay, make it better. You get to see me. There's your thing. Oh, it's in my car.
It would have been so much better had my knee not felt like it was going to give out. I can barely walk. The top three finishers, top three male finishers. So the first place finisher, not his first time, is Zachary Dufresne-Navarre with a time of 1 hour, 8 minutes, 42 seconds. Come on up. So first, all right, so every year, well, so far they've always been unique for the last many years, but we make our own hand-carved trophies. And our first place prize sponsor is, it was partnered up this year between Bioped and Soponi, and you're getting a runner's kit. So you've got a gift certificate for a new pair of runners, t-shirts, and shorts. Congratulations. Okay. All right, our second place finisher is Jack McClinchy. 1 hour, 10 minutes, and 16 seconds. Congratulations. So our second place prize sponsors, it's Treetop Trekking, and they've been one of our longest standing sponsors, but you get a pair of Treetop Trekking passes, so it's for zip lining and a whole bunch of obstacles up in the trees. So if you've never been, super, super fun, and they've got locations all over Ontario. Hey, congratulations. All right, give it up. We've got our third place finisher is Carter Henschel. Come on up. Congratulations with a time of 1 hour, 14 minutes, 20 seconds. Those are some pretty tight times. All right, so our third place finishers get a gift certificate from T8 and a buff. Woo! All right, let's give all these guys a big round of applause. Congratulations. Well done. So Jennifer Sagal with a time of 1 hour, 18 minutes, and 14 seconds. Come on up. Congratulations. Okay, our second place finisher is Paige Cosgrove with a time of 1 hour, 28 minutes, and 8 seconds. Come on up. Aw, the little one in coat. Congratulations. You got yourself a pair of treetop trekking shoes. And our third place finisher is Marie-Christine Boivin with a time of 1 hour, 30 minutes, and 55 seconds. Congratulations. Congratulations to all our top 12.5K finishers.
Pictures, yeah.
Hey,
Congratulations.
I want to picture with you. How was it? Congratulations. Callum. First place male for the 25K is Greg Pigeon with a time of 2 hours, 2 minutes, 55 seconds. Come on up. Congratulations.
About a minute.
You're welcome. Our second place male
Look at him though.
is Alex Burns with like super close. I thought they came in together. It was 2 hours, 3 minutes, and 16 seconds. Come on up.
Good work, man. That's a finger to
Okay, and third place is Travis Pettigrew with a time of 2 hours, 19 minutes, and 13 seconds.
Yeah, it's sick. Do they do like hand cards and stuff here?
All right, congratulations, guys. Let's give all these guys a big round of applause. Woo-hoo. Of 2 hours, 20 minutes, and 45 seconds. Come on up. Congratulations. And second place is Paula Morley with a time of 2 hours, 42 minutes, and 26 seconds.
Have you won those ones? I'm good. Yeah.
Congratulations. And third place is Laura Gibson with a time of 2 hours, 58 minutes, and 40 seconds.
Thank you.
Perfect. We'll give one more big round of applause. Congratulations. Finisher is Raphael, right?
Yeah.
See here? I didn't write this. So Bathencourt Gimera. Where are you from?
Where's he from?
Spain. Amazing. And you just moved to North Bay? You said?
We're on holidays.
Oh, and how?
My brother.
Oh, so you're actually here from Spain?
Yeah.
Ah, my gosh, I didn't even realize that. That's even more exciting. So all the way from Spain, finishing first place in the 50K. That's amazing. I'm excited.
Barcelona, will eat.
And Barca, I'm coming to visit. I'm coming to visit. Okay, amazing. Well, I'm super excited that you won. So you get to take a little piece of Canada home to you. So, you get up on the podium there, first place. Barcelona, Spain, first place, 50K! Woo! I'm excited! So here's a little piece of Canada. You get to take it home with you. Our hand-carved trophy. Now you gotta make sure you cash in on this before you leave.
Yeah, I will for sure, don't worry.
So So the time is, I didn't say that part, I got so excited about the Spain part, but it's 4 hours, 38 minutes, and 27 seconds. That's pretty phenomenal. That might be a record. I'm gonna have to go and
You need a record for it.
might have the record. All right, next, second place. So the second place prize is a pair of treetop trekking passes for zip lining and a whole bunch of fun in the trees. And if you've never been, it's super, super fun. And they've got locations all across Ontario. So our second place winner is Paul Chisholm with a time of 5 hours, 25 minutes, and 15 seconds. Come on up. There you go on up to the second place podium. Okay, third place is Josh Metcalf with a time of 5 hours, 31 minutes, 52 seconds.
You guys look way too good.
And you get a gift certificate from T8 and above.
Thank you.
There we go. So congratulations. We'll give these guys a big round of applause. Congratulations.
Good job, guys.